Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the repost button not showing on the Instagram mobile app. Let's get started. The repost button is a new feature, so first make sure your app is updated. Go to the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right of the screen. Now scroll down. If Instagram shows update, tap it. If it says open, you already have the latest version. Sometimes the app needs a quick refresh. Swipe up from the bottom of your phone. Swipe Instagram away to close it completely. Then reopen the app and check if the repost button appears. If it is still not working, try deleting and reinstalling the app. Press and hold the icon. Tap remove app, then reinstall it from the app store. Log back in and test again. The repost button only appears on public reels or videos. It may not show on posts from private accounts or certain types of content. And that's it. One of these steps will bring back your repost button. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.